Hello, great people. How are you doing? Peter Obi Northern supporter receives threat to life, allegedly from Presidency. Jamilu Sufi, a Northern social commentator and a politician who is a supporter of Peter Obi, has cried out following the death threat he received on WhatsApp from an unknown sender. Jamilu Sufi said that he does not know and where the caller got his phone number from. According to him, the caller threatened to kill him if he continues to support Peter Obi. Jamilu Sufi, who said that he doesn't succumb to blackmail and threats, also said that he blocked the caller, but he and his guys refused to stop calling and threatening his life. He said that the caller, who identified himself as Kinsley, also called his wife and threatened to kill her too if they continue to support Peter Obi. He said that the caller understands and speaks IGBO and Hausa language very well. He called for help as his life and that of his wife are in danger, saying that the issue is getting out of hand. He also said that he can't explain how the caller got his wife's phone number too. Jamilu Sufi said that he had the voice notes he sent to him on WhatsApp on several occasions. According to him, he initially referred to him as Yahoo governor, but he took him serious when he called his wife. According to him, it was after he called his wife that he realized that his life is in danger. He added that different phone numbers sent messages to him trying to damage Peter Obi's image. Following Jamilu Sufi's distress tweet, fans of Peter Obi decided to check the phone number of the caller on Truecaller app, and it came out as Presidency Nigeria. On Truecaller, it showed Presidency Nigeria based on calls search made by his friends. First of all, I want you to note that despite the certain claims of people about party structure, this and that, Peter Obi appears to be proving lots of people wrong. He's getting massive support from the north that could at a point exceed that he's getting from the east. Like he said, it has gone beyond party structure. Aggrieved Nigerians, deprived people are his supporters because they truly desire a positive change. Gone are the days of say baba, say baba, say baba. A great deal of learning the hard way under Buhari government. People have suffered so much under Buhari's government, and they have understood that saying say baba despite the hardship doesn't help anything. Meanwhile, there are still people who are working for the oligarchs, people who benefit from the failure of the system, people who prefer it remains this way because of what they are getting. There are still the poor masses who does not know their left from right. Some fanatics, some received a miserly sum to vote in corrupt politicians who have kept us in this state. These are the people threatening Jamilu Sufi and trying to disenfranchise him. I believe he's not the only one in this type of condition and facing such threats. There are many like him who have resolved not to continue with the sufferings caused by bad leadership, even from their people. Such people have made up their mind to vote in the right people, irrespective of ethnicity and other differences. The caller said his name was Kinsley, so he won't believe it was his fellow Northerner. And meanwhile, those guys issuing the threats may know him actually. It also nice he kept the voice notes for security reasons. And, they are supposed to be handed to security operatives, just that we don't know who is who these days. Strange things are happening in this country. Can you imagine how they are trying to rob the masses of something good coming their way? They want to stop someone who looks to be most credible candidate from winning, and so we continue in the struggling system because they benefit from the system. But the most shocking is to find out that The number used says Presidency Nigeria. Does this mean several bad eggs in the presidency doesn't want Peter Obi? Of course, that is very possible. They would rather have a northerner continue to drag the country backward than great southern mind that would bring about the desired change. And by the way, Peter Obi has nothing to lose if he didn't win 2023 elections. Those who have bribed their way seem to have something to lose. But the masses is who I feel for. Will they make the same mistake of 8 years ago? Viewers, what do you think? Add your comment on the comment section.